The people who really know me know that I haven't been really vocal about how I feel about my body, and nobody is, at least on social media. And as usual, I'm shit confused if I should put this up here or not. So, being an overweight kid right from the childhood has not made me feel good about my body at most times. Something that you've been dealing with for like an year or two is somewhat easier to get over than something you've been dealing with for the whole life. Always been called Motu, Jadi, and whatnot. Surely it does sound funny and all, but it does leave a serious impact on the person hearing. I've always respected people's insecurity, be it something related to weight, skin, height, or anything, because I know it bloody hurts being on that side. Not just random people, it's also been there in the family. I don't know how much or how many of you can relate, but for once you can ignore something that your friend or a stranger said, but being around your family and constantly hearing all of that, कितना खाएगी, खुद को शीशे में देखा है कभी, it doesn't make us feel good or fun at all. At least not me. I know for a fact that they're just doing masti and stuff and they don't really mean all that. But dude, if someone's insecure about something, you can't go and kid about the same thing to them. It's not cool. You can't even think of putting yourself at their place. So, this thing of being insecure about my body has been there since I was a kid, obviously. A kid won't understand overweight and underweight till the family inculcates it in their mind. Being called Moti Didi forever sounds cute at times, but it also does make me feel that no, I don't want to be called by that name. It's not even that kid's fault who's calling me by that name. But as I said earlier, it's always family. A 3-4-year-old won't call me Moti Didi on his own. So, it's always been there, but because I wasn't thinking much about it, or say I wasn't mature enough that it would go all up in my head until 5-6 years ago. But then, I started seeing that people don't like me for who I am. I'm being abandoned because I'm not that pretty or zero-figure-ish who they can flaunt around. I started being laughed at, and trust me, that is not a good feeling. I felt so weak at those times. I've always wanted that one person whom I could tell all this at that time, whom I could hug and cry at that time. But most of the school life I've sat alone on the benches. I've eaten alone in the recess. And one of the major reasons of me having only guy friends is that they don't at least bitch about me as much as other girls do. I've been around my guy friends almost every time, and that has even led me to be called by names that I wouldn't say out loud here. As I started thinking more about it, it just started seeming more intense. Being a confident person and just having that one insecurity that fucks it all up, it has never been easy. There are plus-sized models and heavy people out there who are perfectly fine and happy. But I'm gut sure they can't look you in the eye and say that they have never cried at nights for being that way, that they've never hated their naked selves. So, when all of this started getting too much, I joined gym. I remember the day before my math 10th board, I went to the gym to enroll and joined on 22nd March 2019. There I had some really amazing people, be it my trainer or other people. They were all so sweet to me just because I was the youngest. Those first 2 months I just worked my ass out and also cut off all the junk and stuff. And I was already down by 15 kgs. That was the time when I had like a personal trainer. But after that the schools reopened, I had to work out on my own. And so in the next 5 to 6 months I lost only 5 kgs. On an average, I was about 64 kgs from 84-86 kgs. To be honest, I wouldn't say that I was doing all that just because I wanted to feel good about myself. It was more because I was tired of faking laugh at my weight jokes. It made me want to just leave everyone, everything right then and there and go to a place where someone could actually feel what I went through. It doesn't feel good when you go to buy clothes or shoes and they say that the largest size available won't fit you. I had to join gym because I wanted to accept myself. I wanted to just seem normal for a second. Then, an injury in my leg which just didn't let me work out much, so I just gained and gained. I already had a little motivation by then, and after that injury, it was zero. I stopped going to the gym. I tried controlling on my diet, but I just couldn't. So, that was the time in January 2020, and this is September 2020. Nothing has changed. I still cry nights worrying about my body, and that actually makes my chest pain. I try working out or going on a diet, but I just can't. I still hate my body for not being fit. I'm still afraid to step on a weighing scale to see those digits that come up. I haven't from half a year, and I won't. Till how long? I don't know. Post this, I don't want any forced pep talk or sympathy from anyone. All I want to ask for is if you're the one who's laughing at someone, just don't. It's not easy to be on the other side.